There are words that hold power, words that shape reality, shift energy, and open doors that once seemed impossible to unlock. This prayer is not just a set of phrases. It is a declaration that connects you with the energy of wealth, success, and abundance. If you listen with an open heart and repeat these words with belief, you may notice changes happening faster than you ever expected. Every word you speak carries energy. If you constantly talk about lack, struggle, and limitations, you reinforce those experiences in your life. But when you speak words of prosperity, success, and gratitude, you shift your vibration to align with wealth. The reason this prayer is so powerful is that it activates the law of attraction at a deep level. When you repeat these words, your subconscious begins to believe them as truth. The more you affirm abundance, the more your mind and actions align with the reality of financial success. Think about the most successful people in the world. They didn't just hope for wealth, they claimed it. They believed it was already theirs before it physically appeared. That is the power of the spoken word. It transforms belief into reality. When you say this prayer, you are declaring that wealth is already finding its way to you. When you repeat this prayer, something changes within you. You start to feel a sense of certainty, a knowing that prosperity is not just possible, but inevitable. This shift in energy is what attracts opportunities, ideas, and situations that lead to financial breakthroughs. Your emotions play a key role in this process. If you say the words without feeling, they are just empty sounds. But when you speak them with conviction, with the emotion of already having what you desire, you create an undeniable energetic pull toward abundance. Scientific studies show that emotions influence brain activity, decision-making, and even physical health. When you feel abundant, you make better financial choices, attract like-minded people, and recognize opportunities you might have otherwise ignored. This is why repeating the prayer daily with deep emotion can lead to incredible results. Many people unknowingly push wealth away because of subconscious fears. They might believe that money is hard to get, that they don't deserve to be rich, or that wealth will change them in negative ways. These hidden fears block abundance from flowing into their lives. This prayer is designed to break those mental and energetic barriers. As you repeat the words, they reprogram your mind, dissolving the fears and doubts that have kept you stuck. Instead of seeing wealth as something distant or unattainable, you start to welcome it as a natural part of your life. One of the biggest transformations happens when you stop associating money with struggle and start seeing it as a tool for freedom, generosity, and growth. The moment you release the fear of wealth, you open yourself to receiving it effortlessly. To get the most out of this prayer, it's important to repeat it consistently and with full belief. The best times to say it are in the morning when your mind is fresh and at night before bed when your subconscious is most receptive. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. As you say the words, visualize yourself surrounded by wealth, living in financial freedom, and effortlessly attracting money into your life. Feel the joy, relief, and gratitude as if it's already happening. Repetition is key. The more you say this prayer, the deeper it imprints on your mind. Write it down, record yourself saying it, or listen to it daily. The more you immerse yourself in these words, the faster they become your reality. Wealth is not just about money, it's a mindset. People who attract financial success naturally think differently about money, opportunities, and abundance. If your thoughts are constantly centered around lack, fear, and struggle, then that is the reality you will continue to experience. But the moment you start shifting your mindset, speaking abundance into existence, and believing that prosperity is your birthright, everything begins to change. This prayer is not just about repeating words, it's about rewiring your subconscious beliefs. Many people unknowingly carry limiting beliefs about money that were passed down from childhood, such as money is evil, rich people are greedy, or you have to work extremely hard to be wealthy. These beliefs create resistance to abundance and keep financial success at a distance. But when you repeatedly affirm wealth, success, and financial freedom, your subconscious starts to accept these new ideas as reality. Another crucial aspect of aligning your mindset with wealth is gratitude. When you express deep gratitude for what you already have, you open the door for more to flow into your life. Even if you are struggling financially, start by being grateful for the smallest things. Your ability to wake up every morning, the food you eat, the roof over your head. This shift in perspective creates an energetic vibration that attracts more of what you desire. Everything in the universe operates on a frequency, including money. If you are vibrating at a low frequency, filled with worry, doubt, or desperation, you repel financial abundance. But when you raise your frequency through positive thoughts, emotions, and words, you become a magnet for wealth. This prayer is designed to elevate your vibration, allowing you to match the energy of prosperity. When you speak these words, don't just say them, feel them. Imagine the excitement of receiving unexpected money, the relief of financial security, and the freedom that comes with abundance. Your emotions amplify the frequency of your manifestation, making it more powerful and effective. The more intensely you feel the reality of your desires, the faster they will manifest. Music, meditation, and movement can also help raise your vibrational frequency. Listening to uplifting sounds, practicing deep breathing, and engaging in activities that bring you joy can enhance the effects of this prayer. The higher your vibration, the more aligned you become with the energy of wealth. One of the biggest obstacles to financial success is the scarcity mindset. The belief that there is not enough to go around, that you have to compete for resources, or that wealth is reserved for a select few. This way of thinking creates resistance to abundance and keeps you stuck in a cycle of lack. But the truth is, the universe is abundant, and there is more than enough for everyone. This prayer helps you let go of scarcity and step into a mindset of unlimited prosperity. When you affirm that wealth is flowing to you, you stop feeling envious of others' success and start celebrating it, knowing that your blessings are on the way. You stop seeing money as something difficult to obtain and start recognizing it as an energy that responds to your beliefs and emotions. Another important shift is learning to trust the process. Many people give up on their manifestations because they don't see immediate results. But just like planting a seed, wealth takes time to grow. You must continue watering it with positive thoughts, actions, and unwavering faith. The moment you stop doubting and start expecting abundance, you allow it to flow into your life effortlessly. While repeating this prayer is incredibly powerful, it must be combined with inspired action. Manifestation is not about sitting back and waiting for money to appear magically. It's about aligning yourself with opportunities and taking the necessary steps to receive what you desire. For example, if you are affirming financial success, pay attention to the ideas, connections, and opportunities that come your way. The universe often sends wealth through unexpected channels. A new job offer, a business idea, a chance meeting with someone who can help you. When these opportunities arise, act on them with confidence and trust. Taking action also means developing healthy financial habits. If you want to attract wealth, start managing your current resources wisely. Budgeting, saving, and making smart investments show the universe that you are responsible with money, which in turn attracts more of it. Even small steps, such as paying off debt or setting aside a portion of your income for future goals, can create a positive ripple effect in your financial life. One of the most overlooked factors in attracting abundance is self-worth. If you do not believe you deserve financial success, you will unconsciously sabotage opportunities that could bring you wealth. Many people struggle with feelings of unworthiness, often rooted in past experiences or societal conditioning, which prevent them from fully accepting prosperity. This prayer helps you recognize your inherent worth and align with the truth that you are deserving of financial abundance. When you affirm that you are worthy of success, you stop settling for less than you deserve. You start asking for higher pay, seeking out better opportunities, and making decisions that reflect your value. The way you treat yourself also plays a role in how much abundance you attract. If you constantly put yourself last, neglect your needs, or undervalue your skills, the universe mirrors that energy back to you. But when you prioritize self-care, invest in personal growth, and set high standards for yourself, you create an environment where wealth can flourish. Consistency is key when it comes to manifestation. Repeating this prayer once or twice is not enough. You must make it a daily practice. Just like exercising strengthens your body, affirmations strengthen your subconscious mind, helping you align with the reality you desire. The most powerful way to use this prayer is to say it with complete trust. Doubt weakens the energy behind your words, while faith amplifies it. Speak the prayer as if your financial breakthrough has already happened. Feel the excitement, the relief, and the joy of knowing that money is flowing into your life effortlessly. Another important factor is patience. Sometimes people give up just before their manifestation is about to appear. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, aligning everything perfectly for your success. Stay persistent, stay positive, and keep affirming abundance with confidence. This prayer is not just a set of words, it is a powerful declaration that aligns your energy with wealth, success, and prosperity. By repeating it daily, feeling its truth, and taking inspired action, you set the stage for financial miracles to unfold in your life. Trust in the process, stay consistent, and watch as abundance flows to you in ways you never imagined. If you found this message powerful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more life-changing affirmations that can transform your reality. Your financial breakthrough is closer than you think. Claim it today.